First word that comes to your mind. What? First word.
Whoa, whoa, 28, whoa, whoa.
How are you feeling, Jutta?
Good. You're
What about this cake? Come on, Liz. Tell us more about Israel.
You're welcome, please, ladies. You're welcome. You break my heart.
Yeah. Excuse me, you dropped something, 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 you dropped my heart. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Oh, this one here that you see?
Excuse me,
She's
nice
the
face.
best.
Nice face.
She's the best.
Oh, she's.
Oh, I wish I was that carrot. I wish I was that carrot. Sir, you do not wish you were this carrot. You know what? Let me just tell you something. I unleashed the carrot on him. Carrot revelation. The